Young Desert.
Hey y'all, it's Jimmy P. Welcome back to my channel, girl. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that bell button right next to it. It's going to follow to upload all of my videos. And of course, girl, go and follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. Y'all know we lit on Instagram and Twitter. So make sure you'll follow me on there. As you can tell by the title today, we are doing another hair review. This one is sponsored by Nadula Hair. We love Nadula Hair. We've worked with Nadula Hair before. So today they sent me a 24-inch 150% density curly unit. So this is what she is looking right now, all nice and installed. She is a full frontal one. I believe it's a 13x4, but if not, just check out the description box down below. It'll have all the information and details that y'all need. And yeah, girl, y'all know I'm a queen at slaying units now, okay? Don't play with me. I'm gonna get it right every single time. Y'all know I love me some curly hair, okay? Especially when I'm like not home. When I'm not home, I just need a wig that I can just have on and go about my business. Curly wigs, I got curly, I got straighten, I gotta do nothing. Just wet it and go, okay? So I'm about to get ready, finish getting ready to go out on the town. So stay tuned for the vlog for that. But other than that, y'all, let's stop all this rambling and we're gonna get into me styling this Nadula hair, okay? Okay, y'all, let's see if we can get ready in like 30 minutes. Gotta put on a whole frontal, okay? I got my makeup done already. Kind of know what I'm wearing because technically I'm so ashy, y'all. I just got the shower. But technically, I know what I'm wearing already because it's not like I came with 1,000 outfits. Like all my outfits are pretty packed. So we have reservations at 5. So let's see what we can do. the final look. Again, shout out to Nadula hair for sending me this unit, girl. I will leave all their links down below in the description box so y'all can check them out and check out everything, specifically this wig and all the other wigs that they offer. Somebody did ask me about how I maintain my wigs and how I upkeep them and all of that stuff. Like, what do I use, what products do I use, etc, etc. I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all, I do not use any products on my wigs as far as like conditioners, like especially my curly wigs. Sometimes I used to use mousse on my wigs a lot because it holds the curl more, but honestly, if I'm just trying to go about my day and just like, you know, have a cute fun wig just thrown, I don't put anything on it but water. But what you can use is mousse. I love mousse. Or you can use a leave-in conditioner really lightly. Use that to kind of not like, just to have the hair where like it doesn't puff up. It kind of like just maintains like a flat curl. But it all depends on what look you're going for, okay? But yeah, either way, you can obtain this look with this hair from Nadula. So I'll leave them down below again in the description box so you can check them out. I believe I do have a discount code for y'all. If I do, I will leave it on the screen and down below in the description box as well. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what y'all think about this unit. And I will see y'all in my next video.